Jai Sriman Oh Lakshmana, I am unable to take this pain. Bashpasoka pariplute. Like that, Ramachandra Swami, while not able to take that grief, he is crying a lot. Then Lakshmana is saying that, oh Rama, you should not be crying like that, Rama. Nadhastvam vasavopamaha. You are like a Devendra. You should not be crying. And also on top, while I am there right next to you, you should never cry, you should never worry about anything, Rama. Now I am going to show entire of my anger on this Viradha, and I am going to make sure the blood is shed from Viradha's body, and it is spreaded all over the earth, and earth thirst should be quenched by the blood of this Viradha. I am going to show my anger. Oh Rama, whatever that anger I have towards Bharata, the entire amount of that anger that I am going to show it on Viradha now. I am also completely releasing all my strength and mama bhuja bala vega vegitaha, with all of my strength, with all of my valor, I am going to kill this Viradha, peel his chest, and then he will be revolved and rotated, and patatu tataha samahim vighurnitaha. He will lose his life and he will fell on the floor. Like that, Lakshmana, while showing his anger to Viradha, also consoling Ramachandra Swami. Viradha is asking Rama Lakshmana, saying that, Kau yuvam, who are you? Kva gamishyadhaha, where are you going? When Viradha asked like that, Rama is responding to him, saying that, we belong to Ikshvaku Vamsam. On my father's orders, we are coming into this forest. We are Kshatriyas, Vrutta Sampannau. We follow our traditions and we have very good character. Now you tell me, who are you? Tvantu Veditum Ichchavaha. We would like to know about all your details. Kastvam Charasi Dandakan. Why are you wandering in this forest? Come on, tell me. Then Viradha is again saying to Rama that, oh Raghava, let me tell you about my details. I am son of Jaya. My mother's name is Satakhrada. I am known as Viradha. I have done tapasya. With Chaturmukha Brahma's anugraham, I got wonderful boon. What is that boon, you know? With that boon, I cannot be killed by anyone. I cannot be cut by anyone. Nobody can cut me into pieces by any weapon. Nobody can cut me by any weapon. Nobody can kill me by any weapon. That is what the boon I got from Chaturmukha Brahma. Now, oh Raghava, you can just completely leave hopes on your Sita. She is going to be with me from now onwards. Then immediately you both go back to your kingdom. Tvaramanau palayedham. Immediately you have to return back. Otherwise, Navam Jeevitam Adade. If you are going to go back, then I won't do anything. Otherwise, you will be definitely killed in my hands. Like that Viradha said to Rama. Then with so much of anger, Rama is saying that, oh Viradha, the moment you said you are going to take Sita with you, that is very disgusting wish that you have. With that, you already selected, you already wished your death. Mrityum anveshase dhruvam. You want to be killed, otherwise you won't wish like that. Now I am going to be definitely kill you in the battlefield. Like that Rama said while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.